Oh, hey, big day. So you've got a knife in your hand. Do you think this is going to make great live Insta stories of you, like, cutting a thumb off?
Yeah, it will.
Okay, why are you super excited this time?
Well, I'm excited because it says it eliminates the guesswork, and I hate guesswork.
Okay, so why again?
Well, it eliminates the guesswork.
Yeah.
And that's good because I don't like guesswork.
Okay.
But it's an auto clean, so you push forward,
Yeah.
it washes, and back up, it doesn't. It sucks it up.
So, Chris, my question is, the last one we had, we really, really liked. Mm-hmm. But why is this different then?
Well, this one, you don't have to switch, when you go from wash to dry. It does it automatic.
So there's like 300 reasons why I love my husband, but this is one of them. I really find having to review like vacuums and carpet cleaners a little bit stressful on my own. So I love that he loves it. Or he loves me, which might be the other part of it anyway. I'm happy either way. Yeah. Ooh. What's in that?
A hose. Hose.
Oh, so I like that they give you those bags to store. Does it have a hanger on it?
Yes.
They're so smart that way. Yeah, I do. Oh my gosh. What's that?
It's a handle.
Yeah. You should get a job as one of those like car models. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of tired of washing our floors. I like the color. Whoa, that is space age. It's short.
Thank you. What are you talking about? The vacuum? Oh.
I'm taping this.
Where are you?
I totally age myself by saying I'm taping. I don't think people say that anymore.
I don't think so.
It's like kind of short and chubby, like you.
That's probably why I like it.
Wow. So Hoover says this is their best cleaning carpet, full-size carpet cleaner ever. And already we know we're totally digging it because it has that forward wash, backwards dry. Love that. And I get to give one away. Yeah. One of you gets this, their very best carpet cleaner. So stay tuned to the blog and you could win this. Huge value, huge giveaway.